So here's my deal. Here's the grill I showed you a couple days ago. The bird nest that was in it last week, I suppose. Well, it says it's like 400 degrees in this thing. These poor birds. They're still opening their mouths wanting food. It's very hot in here. I don't know how hot it is in here. I'm hoping you guys can tell me what to do to take care of these birds, keep them from dying from the heat. Let me know what you think. I'm afraid to touch them. Right now, I put a little stopper in there to keep it from being all the way closed. Hopefully that's enough.